What makes me happy? Anything Irish makes me happy. Anything Irish. Now, this is something Dave found. This is every Irish relative we have. This is every Irish story. This is every Irish household. Apparently a bat, speaking of Batman, gets into an Irish home. The chase. Okay, you've got to watch this. Here's Ireland, truly at its most honest best.
Catch him! Catch him, Derry! Derry, catch him! There's a bat! Look at the bat! Get a bat! Look at the bat! Get a bat out of the house! Mom, will you get out? Derry, will you catch him? Oh, fuck it. Oh! 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 Jesus, new. Catch him, Derry. Catch him. Catch him, Derry. Bigger towel, that's it. Get him now, quick.
He's got a blanket. A blanket.
Oh, fuck it. God, Derry. Oh! Marie, will you stop looking in the door? Oh! Jesus. Catch him, Derry. Catch him. You're doing great. You're doing great.
Yeah.
Just... That's it. Oh, he nearly got him that time. Nearly. No, he's still flying around the place. Quick.
He's still chasing him.
Oh.
With like a blanket.
Oh.
A blanket.
You're doing a great job, Derry. Oh, that's it. Stand up there. Oh.
He's on a chair.
Did you get him? No, he's there. He's making a mockery out of you, boy. You get done off this. Take off them shot. The dog's pissing. Dad, the dog's after peeing. Oh.
The dog.
Maureen, you're no help behind the door. You're tiring him out. He's like McGregor. He's got no legs left. Go on. Catch him now. There he is. Get him. Oh.
If you want to see it again, fuck it. Oh, I'm sure it made no sense on this podcast. That's why you got to watch the show.
What? We just become best friends?
Yep.